so let's talk a little bit about the bigram frequency analysis. Okay, so first let's understand the problem. Given a long string of text, do not ignore punctuation, okay? Punctuation was not important on our last one, but it's very important in this one. We're going to break the text into individual words. Then, for every 2 words, count the frequency of words that come after those 2 words by storing them as a list of occurrences. Return a string with line breaks that shows the frequency of those words. Okay, so our input, given our green eggs and ham, looks like this. Now our output, we have I do, and then the word not. And apparently the not comes 8 times. So I do, and then after every time we see I do, we see the word not. Same thing with do not, we see the word like. But every time we see not like, then we get green, right? Not like green, not like them, mostly not like them. But two times we get not like green. And then like green, usually we get eggs or we get nothing else. Green eggs always comes with and afterward. So this idea is called a bigram. It's basically 2 words that go together. And so what we're trying to do is figure out how often does a word come after a word pair. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, it's going to be very similar to our word counts problem. The first thing that we need to do is break the text into tokens, words, right? Then we're going to loop over the text. And then for every element in there, we're going to say take the current word and the next word. So current plus next word. And then we're going to like say if current plus next word is in a dict, add the third, the next word to a list. Otherwise, what we'll need to do is add this, our current plus next word to the dict, and then also add next word to a list by itself. And then at the very end, what we need to do is, now that we've added like all of the instances of each word to a dict, what we want to do is loop over the dict, and then let's see, we want to output is let's see, return a string with line breaks that shows the frequency of those words. So we'll add each key and to a string with a thing in between, a colon, and then we will also then sum the number of each, or the count of each word in the list. So that's how we'll do it. And then we'll return the string. So go ahead and try this. When you're looping over the text, understand that at some point you'll get to like here or here, and so you'll have to stop. You have to make sure that you don't index past the list of strings, and make sure that Sam I am comes with I after it. So if you get something with line breaks, make sure to count that as a word boundary. All right, so that's how we start understanding the bigram frequency analyzer.